Welcome to my channel Good Mind Gyan. Today we are going to study about water. It is a chapter from class 9, chapter 3. We will be studying about hard and soft water. What is hard water and what is soft water? Hard water is the water which forms a sticky scum or precipitate. It does not form a lather with the soap solution, whereas soft water is the one which forms lather with soap solution. In the diagram here you can see that when soft water gets combined with soap solution it forms a foam, whereas hard water, when it comes in contact with soap solution, it forms a scum. Classification of hard water. Hard water can be classified into temporary hard water and permanent hard water. What do you mean by temporary hard water? The sample of groundwater which ordinarily forms scum with soap, but on boiling and then treating with soap solution forms lather. So here you will find that on boiling you can treat it with soap solution and it will form lather. Whereas in permanent hard water, you will find that even on boiling and treating it with soap solution, lather is not formed but it forms a scum. So it is called as a permanent hard water. What are the causes of hardness in water? Calcium and magnesium salts. They can be in the form of bicarbonates, sulfates and chlorides. What are the sources of hard water? Natural water, the water from springs, the water from rivers. All are the sources of hard water. How water gets temporarily hard in nature. When the rainwater flows over the surface of the earth, it dissolves in it carbon dioxide gas present in the air. When the water containing carbon dioxide flows over the rocks containing calcium carbonate or magnesium carbonate, it reacts with them to form their respective hydrogen carbonates and hence the water becomes temporarily hard. So here you can see that calcium carbonate reacts with water and carbon dioxide to form calcium bicarbonate. Magnesium carbonate reacts with water and carbon dioxide to form magnesium bicarbonate. How temporary hardness can be removed. When the temporary hard water is boiled, the hydrogen carbonates of calcium or magnesium, they decompose to form their respective insoluble carbonates, which can be filtered out and the water becomes soft. So here you can see calcium bicarbonate. When it is heated, it forms calcium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. Whereas when magnesium bicarbonate is heated, it forms magnesium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. How permanent hardness can be removed? Permanent hardness can be removed when the groundwater flows over the surface of the earth. It dissolves the minerals present in it. If any of the following minerals dissolve in the natural groundwater, it becomes permanent hard. So now we have permanent hardness can be removed by treating the water with sodium carbonate, that is washing soda. It reacts with chlorides or sulfates of calcium or magnesium to form their respective insoluble carbonates, which can be filtered out and water becomes soft. So here we have calcium chloride which reacts with sodium carbonate to give calcium carbonate and sodium chloride. Magnesium sulfate reacts with sodium carbonate to give magnesium carbonate and sodium sulfate. What are the disadvantages of using hard water? The disadvantages of using hard water are the water becomes unfit for drinking purposes. It can upset your stomach. It is unfit for washing clothes, for bathing because it does not form a lather, unfit for raising steam in boilers as a white deposit of salts sticks to the sides of the boiler and reduces the boiling space. It is also unfit for dyeing clothes as the color tends to fade. I hope you liked this video. If you have liked it, please share and give the comments to this video. If you are a new visitor, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.